Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being here with me today. Let me show you how I make this delicious Trini style coconut bake. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at these ingredients. Here I have some all-purpose flour, some freshly grated coconut. I have some fresh coconut milk, but a canned one can be used as well. I have some vanilla, butter, sugar, salt, baking powder, yeast, cinnamon, nutmeg. Here to a large bowl, I will combine the flour and the butter. You want to just work this in by hand until everything is very well combined. Next, we'll follow up with our salt, sugar, spices, our yeast and baking powder. Give that a good mix, and then we will add our freshly grated coconut. Now in with our wet ingredients, we'll add the vanilla and our coconut milk. Now I did warm up my coconut milk so that it can activate the yeast. We will add that a little at a time until we form a nice soft dough. Once the dough is formed, you want to go ahead and cover this and allow it to sit and rise for about 1 hour. Now this dough here is very rich because of the coconut milk, and I like a lot of coconut in my bake. So, you know, it will take a long time to proof, but give it as much time as it needs. After about 2 hours, this is my dough. It is looking fantastic. We will go ahead now, flour our surface, release the air that's inside of the dough. Now, because of the coconut milk and stuff, the dough is very moist and, should I say, oily. So I didn't need to use a rolling pin. I smooth it out with my hands, place it into my baking pan, and just make sure that it fits the shape of the pan. Then I went in with a fork and poked some holes all over the dough, and I placed this in a 350-degree oven for about, let's say, 30 to 40 minutes or so. Once it looks nice and golden brown and you stick a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean, that's how you know that your bake is all done. Once it is done, this is how it should be looking. It smells absolutely amazing. I could smell all the coconut in there and I can't wait to dig in. But first, I like to go over the top with some butter. Make sure you lather it really well and allow it to cool a little before I show you guys what it looks like on the inside. And here you have it, my version of Trini style coconut bake. When I tell you this was so delicious, it was nice and crispy on the outside, but soft and fluffy on the inside. I had it with a nice piece of cheese and it was to die for. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy